some endemic species like the turtle. Uh, and Galapagos have had some very serious trouble because of the hunters maybe some environmental uh, challenges. You know, uh, now, my objectives of this research are uh, having consciousness about how many toads are in the island, and how many births of these toads are having per year. Um, Also, I would like to know which are the politics and laws that have Ecuador government to keep these animals safe. In the past, some governments like uh, Colombian government has had trouble keeping some animals away from the danger, like the bear is indoors, aggressive bear animal. Um, yeah, so what do I need to do this research? Uh, I have had a short uh, a short investigation about what all this need to go on. So studied in the field, and they usually need some computers or cameras to do photos, to analyze and compare with other parts of the world. So that's why we comfortable clothes and because you can see there's big microchip to keep consciousness about the tools we're working with these microchips. Also, some medicines in case there is an emergency, some money to cost all expenses, uh, the tickets to a plane or the ship to get to Galapagos Islands, and yeah, that's it. Now, which are the next steps? Uh, I would like to take the knowledge about which are the laws and the techniques Ecuador government is having to keep Galapagos, Galapagos, Galapagos wildlife, specifically the Galapagos turtles, to keep them safe, and also how are we doing facing some disappearing or disappear of endemic species, and take this knowledge to conservation techniques and take these conservation techniques and spread all around the world to try to less damage to those animals who are suffering some kind of unfair disappearing because of our guilt. Guilty. That's it. Here are some references I took. And yeah, thanks for